Hey guys, review my new squishies / fidgets with me, part 2. Okay, so first that I just found in my closet is these sand capybaras, and these are the best sand squishies I have had. They're so good, and like the ASMR is so good. And then just to roll it back in the shape, what you have to do is like that. It's not perfect, but it's fine. And then this one I kind of experimented and did a hole and then put water in it. Maybe it could be like a cloud squish. No. But that's okay. It's fine. Next I got is this claker. I honestly don't know where I got it because my teacher found it on the floor and she asked if I wanted it. I was like, yes, because these things are so good. I play with it all the time, and also you can like switch the colors around and take it off. So like that's like a plus. So I rate these 10 out of 10. I love it so much. I forgot to rate these. I think I rate them 7 out of 10. Actually 8 out of 10. Next I got this Neato Nice Ice Baby Cube, and I don't know what that was. Well, anyways, my friend got it for me, so I honestly don't know where she got it. But it's so good. I love it so much. I've been playing with it all the time. And yeah. I just love it so much. And yes, it's a real Neato because every real Neato says scaling on it. And if it doesn't, then it's not real. Next, these two squishies I'll be showing you are from Tabelicious. Okay, I got this Tabelicious like grape cake or something like that. And I love this one. I forgot to rate the Nice Ice Baby. I rate that 10 out of 10. So this tab squishy is so good. It came with no glitter, but I put glitter on it. And then the grapes like come off. And they're like still Taba, but they're like more Taba mochi. And the face is so cute and I love it so much. I rate it 9 out of 10. It's good. I don't know. They're sticky that they'll collect dirt. That's why. But otherwise, they're good. Oh, I got that in Pleasant Hill, like a booth, a Neato booth they had there. I also have this chick from Tabelicious. It's so good. Like, I can't even, like, explain. The fluffs on it. Oh, what does it look like? Okay, y'all better. The fluffs on it, 10 out of 10. Do you recommend? If you see this from Tabelicious, go get it. Like, go get it now. So that's my review. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.